Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, and today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Gamerverse ZD Toys Marvel Super War Spider-Man Big Time Suit. Thank you very much Laro Anan for sending this action figure for unboxing and review and customization. And if you want to order the big time Spider-Man suit, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook, 1,250 only. And so here's the front of the box, Spider-Man rendered Spider-Man illustration or 3D rendering na image dito sa front, and then you have the green lines na diagonal lines papunta sa taas. Then you have the inverted triangle dito sa likod, sa background. And then you have the Marvel logo. Ito Super War to mga ma'am sir. This is part of the Super War series. Yung Marvel Super War, it's a MOBA game na you can download and play. Tapos yung mga ginagawa ni ZD Toys, yung mga suits doon, ginagawa nila ng mga action figures. So it's part of the Marvel Gamerverse line. And then this is the Spider-Man Big Time Suit, 110 scale Super War Collections, Infinite Action G. And sa gilid you have the Zongdong toy na barcode, and then you have the Disney seal, which means this one is original and authentic. Hindi siya fake, hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg. Sa likod you have the Marvel Gamerverse na logo, Marvel Super War, and then you have the front image of Spider-Man dynamic poses, Chinese text here, and QR code and barcode. Sa gilid naman, Marvel Gamerverse. Then here you have the magnet na flap to protect the action figure. Tapos sa first tray, nandito yung action figure. Sa second tray, nandun naman yung accessories. Sa iba pang figures, dito sa Gamerverse line, you have Star-Lord. Yan. Available din to sa laruanan. Hindi ko lang sure kung meron pa mga stocks, pero mag-inquire na lang kayo mga ma'am sir. We have Black Panther. Tapos meron din tong Wolverine. Wala lang akong box art. And then you have Rocket Raccoon. Tapos si Thor. Ito yung pinakagusto ko sa line na to, si Thor. Grabe yan. Sobrang lupit. Hellsworn Thor yung tawag dito sa suit na to or sa costume design. Or sa variant ni Thor. Super nice. Tsaka maganda rin to gusto ko rin to si Star-Lord. Yan. Lahat to mga ma'am sir, mag-inquire kayo kay Laro Anan kung available pa. Kung gusto niyo umorder ng mga Marvel Super War na suits. Okay, out of the packaging, this is a very simple black suit Spider-Man na merong mga neon green na mga tapered lines or mga trim sa all over the armor. So yun yung design motif niya. Lines all over the suit. Tapos yung ganda rin ng nung texture niya. Meron din siyang texture all over the suit. Tapos meron siyang shoulder armor. Yung color combination ng suit niya, black. Tapos para siyang metallic na dark, very cool gray. Meron siyang parang stone blue, metallic stone blue na color dito sa mga trims. And then itong neon green niya, parang di siya neon green dito sa actually dapat ito yung neon green ganito Pero pagdating dito sa figure, parang siyang mas lime green or mas nasa yellow na siya. Siguro kahit mga 15% na green, tingin ko magiging neon green to, pero mas marami kasi siyang yellow. Okay, zoom in tayo ng konti para makita natin yung suit details. Dito sa head, you have the large eyes. Meron may konting overspray lang yung lime, tatawagin ko na lang lime yellow dito sa part ng eye trim. Ayan, pwede naman natin yung patungan, pero yan, konting overspray lang. And then you have the entire suit black na merong texture. Dito sa neck piece, you have the neck muscles here. And then okay din tong touch na to na parang meron siyang pointed na nose. Ibig sabihin merong tao sa loob. And then sa likod you have the Spider-Man logo. You have the Spider logo na very stylized. Na parang line art yung line trim yung design niya. Stick, ang ganda. Tapos dito rin sa harap, very minimalistic Very minimal yung ano, yung pagkaka-design ng mga lines. Yan. Para siyang neon tech. Ginawa ni parang neon tech style na ginagawa ni Hot Toys. Parang ganun yung style. Yan. More information about the big time suit later in the video, pero tingnan muna natin yung chest details niya. You have the Spider-Man logo here sa chest, and then meron din trim dito sa neck. You have the shoulder armor na merong honeycomb pattern, tapos meron ding metallic na stone blue trim. Tapos yung trim, nag-extend siya from the chest outwards mula dito sa may shoulder area, dito rin sa may shoulder joint papunta dito sa biceps. And then dito rin sa kanyang arms hanggang dun sa kamay. Tapos dito naman sa likod, nag-extend din yung trim dito sa kanyang back. Tapos para sa mga inner suit or dun sa black suit na trims, nag-extend naman siya dito hanggang sa legs. Okay. Sa stomach armor, meron ding parang trim dito. So yun yung overall theme niya, puro lines. Okay, tapos black. Ganda ng contrast kasi pag ito nasa dilim, tapos medyo meron ka lang konting light. Ito lang yung may ilawan. Ito lang yung ina-absorb ng light, ina-absorb ng black armor yung light, and then ito ire-reflect na yung bright light. So parang nag-illuminate yung parts na to. Alright, for the accessories, meron siyang hexagonal base. This is very basic na sa mga ZD Toys tong hexagonal base. Ito na yung kanilang signature base, hexagonal base na stand. So meron din siyang pole na spring loaded. So you can grab yung waist ni Spider-Man for dynamic poses. Tapos meron lang siyang 1, 2, 3, 4 na alt hands. Tapos dito sa inner part ng kanyang palms, meron ding circular part at saka line na part. Okay, yun yung design niya. Okay. Tapos very rin siya, very detailed din, textured din yung kanyang hands. And makikita nyo rin yung pagka close ng mga fingers niya. Very sharp naman din yung sculpt. Okay. Articulation, up. Teka, focus lang natin. Okay. Up, head up, down. Mas nakakalingon siya ng mataas kasi ito notice ko lang dito, nakahiwalay yung kanyang neck armor dun sa body. Okay. Down, rotation 360, tilt, konting tilt lang. And then you have the neck piece na nagagalaw din, konting-konti lang din. Okay. Minsan yung mga significant na angle, pag it can make the biggest changes kasi kunwari dito konti lang yung angulo niya nagagalaw, pero pagdating sa head, kahit konti lang yung angle ng movement, pagdating naman dito sa head, malaki na yung range of motion niya. So very big difference din yung nagagawa kahit na merong maliit na angle cut dito. Okay, so look down, very nice. Look up, very very cool. Okay. Shoulder armor outwards for additional arm rotation 360. Tapos bicep swivel, double jointed elbow, ball joint yung kamay. You can extend the torso for additional range of motion. Waist cut meron din. Uy, tanggal. Dahan-dahan lang tayo sa pag-rotate. Tanggal. Okay, pwede naman din ikabit kaagad, no problem. Legs down, tapos hip swivel, double jointed knee, tapos ball joint yung paa. This is very cool. Try natin mag-post for the verdict ng video. Wala lang siyang mga web accessories. Yan. So more information about the big time suit. After a battle with the new Hobgoblin in the Amazing Spider-Man number 649 and 650, Peter develops a new costume using technology he created from his job at Horizon Labs, which he begins wearing in the Amazing Spider-Man number 650 as part of the Big Time story arc. So kaya pala siya tinatawag ng mga fans na Big Time kasi Big Time story arc yung comic book. It is created with the omni-harmonic mesh based on one of Henry Pym's theories. with wave bending technology to both light and sound, with Peter adapting concepts he developed during his work with Tony Stark. Oh, nice. So yun. Yung information na to, nababasa ko sa spiderman.fandom.com. So if you want to know more, punta lang kayo sa spiderman.fandom.com. Tapos research nyo yung Spider-Man Big Time Suit. So features nito, camo mode, the first mode which turns the lights on his costume neon green. So yun yung camo mode niya, and gives him the ability to be invisible to both visual and audio means, except from certain lengths and frequencies. So aliens can see and communicate with him. Whoa, stiga. The green lights on the costume are for the benefit of whoever needs to see him while wearing the lens, along with himself, as otherwise he is invisible to his own eyes. Wow, stiga. Meron din siyang anti-sound mode, anti-metal spiders, unstable molecules, and healing. Yung anti-sound mode, the second mode, which turns the lights on his costume red, can cancel out all sonic-based attacks on his person. Wow, stiga. So meron pala tong red version. A side effect of this is that it disrupts any attempt to communicate with Peter using sound, and vice versa. Okay. Using this principle, Peter developed new lightweight noise reduction headphones at Horizon Labs. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. So yun mga ma'am sir, meron siyang glowing neon green and glowing red na costume designs. Variant pala. So that's it mga ma'am sir. If you want to buy this big time Spider-Man suit, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan sa Facebook for 1,250 pesos only. Okay? So that's it mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.